everyone, my name is Carla Melissa and today I'll be teaching you guys how to make slime. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So the stuff you'll be needing is a bowl, glue, I'll be using white glue, contact solution, shaving cream, and baking soda. And also you'll be needing something to mix with, so I'll be using a plastic knife. Don't forget I have a container as well. So I'm gonna pour in the glue first. I'll try to get everything out. And then I'm gonna add a little bit of some baking soda. I'm gonna add in this much. And then I'm gonna add in a little bit of some shaving cream. And then I'm gonna mix. You need to mix really good. So I'm gonna be adding in a little bit more of some baking soda, like this much. After, I'm gonna add in some contact solution, like 4 or 5 drops. I'm gonna add in 5. You need to be very careful. And then mix. I'm gonna add in a little bit more, like 2 or 3. So when you're done making the slime, this is how it's gonna turn out. It's gonna turn out like this. I'm gonna try to make it crunchy. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more videos.